Hello everybody,
My name is Mr. Broccoli, and welcome
to the Metaverse.
Now, I know it's been a while since I uploaded a YouTube video, but that's because I did not have my laptop, and I've just been having a lot of issues lately. But don't worry, not I got you with the crypto news. A happy halving. Yeah, I'm sorry I'm a little late. Just don't worry about it. Currently, right now, it doesn't even matter because Bitcoin is dumping because the halving was supposed to send us to the moon. Didn't think it was gonna go that way, but it's okay, guys, because you look at past performances. 12 to 18 months later, we're gonna be at the top.
Not financial advice. Oh man, I can't wait another 3 years for real.
But yeah, like I was saying, we're looking at Bitcoin right now. Everything's currently dumping right now, down 1%. But before we're going to the chart, let's look at the next halving, March 17, 2028. I will see you guys there. Yes. But yeah, let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart right now. It's currently, like I said, 63,000. It's been just horrible the past months ever since the top that $73,000. It's just but when in doubt, zoom out, as they say. I don't like the way it's looking right now. It looks like it's gonna go down, but let's just hope it bounces. But currently right now it's just kind of been bouncing between the sideways action between 60 and 65. And you would think that altcoins, this is when it's their time to pump. It's just not happening. At least not with ADA. Just why? Just wake me up when it's next year, okay? Let's hope things are better. At this point, I'm just hoping it's at least previous all-time highs. But with the news currently going on right now, SEC ruling, blah blah blah, Etfs is security, and they've actually been under investigation for a while now. So yeah, they're just kind of suing right now to see if ETH is actually a security. They're demanding that the SEC determine if it's a security or not. Like I said before, and I'll stand with what I say, ETH spot ETF will not be approved in the US. Maybe next year, but what has been approved? Hong Kong, China, Bitcoin, and ETH spot ETFs. This means that they're going on a rampage to accumulate as much Bitcoin and ETH. Hopefully that sends altcoins because ADA strongly. But yeah, Bitcoin and ETH, at the time you're watching this video, it should already be live. And yeah, they're just there should be a couple $100 million within the first day. Will it be as big as BlackRock inflows? Possibly not, but it's still a whole country getting involved into crypto and into Bitcoin and ETH. And remember, China was the one that initially banned Bitcoin, so this is very bullish news, especially with the ETH. That's the main one that's kind of pumping everyone's brains right now. Literally basically all the news right now. We could take a look at Bitcoin right now. I got some more Bitcoin. I kind of wanted to do some things. But yeah, if you want to purchase Bitcoin, you can buy it on the Tap Tools or on MinSwap, where it's mainly a lot of special things planned for Bitcoin. Just kind of working out some things on the back end, but a lot of great news coming up. Just can't really say so right now. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check me out on Twitter at mmonopoly10 for all the latest crypto news updates on the fly. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys
in the next one.